Are you looking for your dream home? A place to land between fun adventures? Do you need a place to store your RV, your boat, your trailer, or other such fun toys? If so, this remodel in Clinton might just be the perfect place for you. This home was built in 2002. It features 5 bedrooms and 4 baths. It has almost 2,800 square feet. It also has almost a quarter of an acre. It has a true RV parking and a 3-car garage. So imagine the fun that you'll have both at home and on your travel adventures if you decide to call this place home. Let's take a look.